Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to exchange coins on Atomic Wallet. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Atomic Wallet application, then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From the bottom menu bar you can see swap option. Click on swap, then choose the coin that you want to exchange from. Then on the second bar, choose the coin that you want or desire. Once you have selected the coins, click to I accept the terms and service. Then click to swap. Then your coins will be exchanged. This is how you can exchange coin on Atomic Wallet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.